Match list 1 with list 2. JEE Mains 2021. In list 1, torque, impulse, tension, surface tension given. You have to choose corresponding dimensions for the given physical quantities. You have to choose from the list 2. For torque, tau is nothing but force into perpendicular distance. Force is nothing but ml t power minus 2 for perpendicular distance L, hence ml square t power minus 2. And for impulse, this force acting on anybody at a very short time. So f del t for force m l t power minus 2 into for time t, hence ml minus 2 here 1. So minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Tension is nothing but a force, hence a tension force. So m in Ta is for force, hence for m capital M for a l t power minus 2, hence ml t power minus 2. For surface tension is nothing but force per unit length. Force is ml t power minus 2 divided by for length L, hence LL cancel. Finally, we can get m t power minus 2. So from this, we can easily calculate that for torque, option third one is correct. For impulse, ml t power minus 1, that is first one. And for tension force, fourth one. And for surface tension, second one. Hence, the correct option is A. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Subscribe.